It's all out, but there's another batch to be made. Yeah, I'll be having a lunch in the Gold Inn on the 20th of February. So anyone's around is very welcome to come along. Now, you know this, most of you will know the chorus of this, so join in with me, please. Oh, Padre Rainey's me name, I'm a travelling man. I'll mend your old pots, I'll make you a can. I'm prince among nomads, the king of Meal Clan. I travels the road with me ass and me dog. There's game in the fields, there's turf in the bog. I sing like a lark as along we do jog. Catches the fish, I always have plenty to put in me dish. Me brogues I can mend, me shirt I can stitch. I gathers me pipes, I heads for the town. I finds a good pitch, I sets myself down. I squeeze on the bellows, the throng gather round. It pleases the crowd, they dance and they clap, and many bright shillings they put in me cap. I'm fond of a glass, I think it no crime. I sit in the sheebin with comrades sublime. I'll dance till the dawn, I've not slaved to time. Sits down from the farm, her husband is cowled, but I am quite warm, and here in me tent she'll come to no harm. When winter comes on, for fear of the damp, I'll whistle me dog down the road we will tramp, and the housewife will sigh when she sees we broke camp. I'll boil up me billy, I'll make me some tea, I'll check if